How to incorporate yoga into your daily routine for back health. Back pain is one of the most common complaints among adults, often caused by poor posture, long hours of sitting, and a lack of physical activity. Fortunately, yoga offers a gentle yet effective way to relieve and prevent back discomfort. By incorporating simple yoga stretches into your daily routine, you can strengthen your back, improve flexibility, and promote overall spinal health. Here's how to get started. 1. Start with just 10 minutes a day. You don't need to commit to a full hour of yoga to experience its benefits. Starting with just 10 minutes in the morning or evening can make a big difference. Choose a few key poses that focus on back health, and gradually increase your practice time as it becomes a habit. Short sessions are easier to stick to and can be done even on your busy days. 2. Pick the right poses. Certain yoga poses are particularly effective for back care. Some great options include Cat-cow stretch. Marjaryasana. Balasana gently warms up the spine and improves mobility. Child's pose. Balasana, a restful pose that stretches the lower back. Downward facing dog. Adho Mukha Svanasana strengthens and stretches the entire back. Cobra pose. Bhujangasana strengthens the lower back and opens the chest. Bridge pose. Setu Bandhasana helps build strength in the lower back and glutes. Perform each pose mindfully, holding it for 20 to 30 seconds while breathing deeply. Focus on proper alignment to avoid strain. 3. Be consistent. Consistency is key. Set a reminder or link your yoga time to another daily habit, such as brushing your teeth or making coffee. You could do a quick yoga sequence while waiting for your morning brew or wind down with stretches before bed. Building yoga into your routine makes it easier to maintain. 4. Use props and modify as needed. If you're new to yoga or have existing back issues, use props like yoga blocks, straps, or a folded blanket to make poses more accessible. It's important to listen to your body and modify poses to suit your comfort level. Never push into pain. Yoga should feel good and restorative. 5. Practice good posture throughout the day. Yoga doesn't end when you roll up your mat. Applying yoga principles like body awareness and alignment to your daily life, especially while sitting at a desk or standing for long periods, can prevent back strain. Engage your core, sit tall, and avoid slouching to support your spine. 6. Consider online classes or apps. If you're unsure where to start, there are many yoga apps and YouTube channels with routines specifically designed for back health. These guided sessions can help you learn proper technique and stay motivated. Conclusion: incorporating yoga into your daily routine doesn't require a major lifestyle overhaul. With a few mindful minutes each day, the right poses, and consistent practice, you can support your back health and enjoy greater comfort and mobility. Start small, stay. Like, subscribe, follow for your free back pain relief ebook.